Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to clean an Audi A3 engine. First, gather your supplies: a good quality engine degreaser, various brushes, and several clean microfiber cloths. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin. Safety is key, so always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any electrical issues during the cleaning process. Now, with your engine cool and battery disconnected, it's time to apply the degreaser. Spray an engine-safe degreaser generously over all the dirty areas, making sure to cover grease and grime. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to break down the dirt. Then, use a variety of soft brushes to gently agitate any stubborn spots, working the degreaser into the grime. After agitating the grime, carefully rinse the engine bay using a low-pressure water stream. Be very mindful to avoid directly spraying sensitive electrical components. Once rinsed, use compressed air to blow away excess water, or meticulously dry everything with clean microfiber towels. Ensure all areas are completely dry before reconnecting the negative terminal of your battery, which is a critical final step. To finish, apply a non-greasy, engine-safe dressing to all plastic and rubber components. This not only makes them look great, but also helps protect them from cracking and fading over time. Regular inspection of your engine bay can help you catch any new dirt or potential leaks early. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Keep your Audi A3 running and looking its best.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.